Hi everybody, this is again the window cleaning show and I'm Andrei Maikuta and I am taking another video. As you see, the 3 gallons of blue bottles, and this you can see it's a product that our guys applying on the wood. Right now we are restoring the wood and they already over there, you see these red buckets. That's the products number 1, number 2 and number 3. It's gotta do it in 3 steps. First, number 1, we cleaning the wood, and then number 2 and 3 we cleaning the wood from number 1. That's pretty easy, but as you see our guys in a special suits, in goggles, in gloves, everything protected, hands and body, clothes. Yuri, what's up? How you feel there?
I'm good, guys.
As you can see, we did already some part and it looks pretty nice. It's not easy to do as usual, but we are the professional guys and we know what to do with this. Right? It's easy for us, but it would be hard for somebody else. Just look at those fancy suits. Як Олянич, модні.